Howdy folks, so just a heads up before the video actually starts, as I was going through the footage, the audio cuts out on a couple bits because I recorded it as I started the truck, so the Bluetooth connected and it cut the audio out. So there will be 2 clips that happens, so apologies in advance until I can actually solve that or remember to turn my Bluetooth off before I start recording. There's that. So with that being said, here is the video. Thanks. Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode of What the Hell Am I Doing? I'm cutting my muffler off. No, not because I want to hear the loud, obnoxious rumble of a TBI 350, but let me crawl under the truck here because my muffler is chock full of crap and my truck keeps stalling out. So I'm going to be cutting from pretty much focus here and cutting all of it back off because I have a replacement right here. Now, don't ask how it sounds because I don't remember, but this was on my dually. So yeah, I don't really have a way of setting up my phone because I don't have a GoPro, but I'm gonna try to record it for y'all. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, so you'll see me fiddle with the camera, well, fiddle with my phone next, and then we'll see how this goes. To be quite honest, I have no idea if this is a metal blade or not. I don't think it is, but I'm sure it'll work fine for what I'm using it for. So I will see you in a few minutes, and I will get this all set up. Okay. Nope. Of course I get my phone in the snow. Okay, I'm sure you guys are looking through the extension cords and looking at probably right here and can't see much of anything else. So, with that being said, let's get this shindig on the road. Okay. This is going to take a lot longer than I thought. So, that being said, I'm going to shut the camera off for right now. And then I will show you guys the progress I've made. Be right back. Okay, so I've made progress. Okay, so I hit it. I don't have much access to a sledgehammer right now because it's buried. So I was using that crowbar. Hit it once. And that's what came down. So I gotta cut the hanger right there. Right there in front of my finger. And then the exhaust will be free. By the way, here's the muffler. It's not supposed to do that. Oh my God. Okay, so there's that. Alright. So, I will be back momentarily. And 3, 2, 1. So, I figured out I didn't need to actually cut that hanger. Now in pieces. I was like halfway through this when I was like, wait, can I just pull that out? So, that's what I did. I pulled it out. The one piece is still up under there, but that's okay. I will get that in here in a moment. Doesn't sound bad, but I don't like... Starts a hell of a lot easier. Definitely a hell of a lot louder. I don't like that. Can't wait to get that one on. But I gotta run to my buddies. Grab a 3/8 ratchet because I don't have one. Got a 1/4 inch and that's about it. So I will return in a few moments after I get the ratchet from him, and I'll put the old new one on, if that makes any sense to y'all. But I will see y'all in a few. Alright folks, well, it's on. Ran into a couple snags, but it's on. Sounds a hell of a lot better too. I didn't record it because it was being a pain in the ass, but almost can't tell it's running now. Oh, it sounds so much better. Might be replacing my injectors. I don't know if that's what's bad or not, but it keeps wanting to bog down still. So, I don't know. But I will see y'all in the next one.